Now here this is also oblique projection at height h, but by making an angle theta with the horizontal below the horizontal. So see that this is a some height h. This is a building, for example. This is height h. This is the horizontal. With the horizontal, the body is projected with an angle theta below it. This is with velocity u, it is projected. It is making an angle theta here. So this also follows a parabolic path and reaches the ground. This is the horizontal level. Here it reaches the ground. So this is the range again. Now what is the condition here? See that this is considered as origin point. So below that everything you have to consider negative. So when it is coming down, the acceleration due to gravity A is equals to minus g. Why? Because it is below that horizontal. And one more thing is the vertical velocity also it is coming down. So vertical velocity uy is equals to u sine theta. This is also negative. And time period t we can consider, we can find out that here h is also, it is below that. So again h we can consider minus h. Substitute the values in s is equal to ut plus half at square. So s is nothing but height is minus h is equals to uy, vertical direction, body is coming in vertical direction. So uy, u component is minus u sine theta into t plus half into, the acceleration is also, it is coming down, so minus g into t square. So again I will multiply with minus each and both sides where I am multiplying with minus. So h is equals to minus into minus plus h. Here minus into minus u sine theta into t. Why? Because minus into minus plus. Here minus into plus into minus. This is again you can get plus. Minus into minus plus. So half gt square you can get. So this is, bring this towards right side, then u sine theta into t plus half gt square minus h is equal to 0, or if you take the LCM with 2u sine theta into t plus here 2 cancel, gt square is remained minus 2h is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, or gt square first you can write, gt square plus 2u sine theta into t minus 2h is equal to 0. So we have to find out the roots. So minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a we have to take. Minus b means in place of b 2u sine theta is there. So t is equals to minus b minus 2u sine theta plus square root of b square minus 4ac. b is this only. So b square 2u sine theta whole square minus 4ac. 4 into c is 2h, minus 2h is here. 4 into 2 plus 8h, a is g here, 8h by 2a. 2 into a is g. So if you simplify that, we can find out the time period. So t is equals to here minus 2u sine theta by 2g, 2 to cancel. So minus u sine theta by g is remained here, plus under root you can take 2u sine theta whole square means 4u square sine square theta by 2g I am bringing in under root, so 4g square I can write, plus 8hg by this 4g square again. So this is minus u sine theta by g plus square root of this 4 can be cancelled, under root u sin theta by g whole square you can write, plus here 4 ones 4 2s you can cancel, 1g cancel, so 2h by g is that. So this is the time period to find out the projectile to reach the ground.